Today our class will be about calculus. We're going to focus on one concept today in calculus, which is using integration to find the area between two curves. Using integration to find the area between two curves. Let us start doing these problems. Then our topic is to find the area between two curves. Actually, this topic is important for calculus 1, then you have to have the basic strong to handle calculus 2. Let us start. Then our objective is to find the area between two curves. Finding regular area is simple and easy. But sometimes when we have to find area like that, for a curve like this, and we need to find the area between these two lines from here to here, we don't have any formula to find this area. Integration will help us to find this area, a to the b. Then area equal integration from a to the b. What my function f of x dx. But I'm gonna show you something else. Make believe I have this curve. Make believe I have this curve. You see, Ismail? And look now what my curve will be like this. Look here. As example. And he wants me to find the area from A to B. A here and B here, two lines. And let me just extend the curve a little bit down. This is the value of A and this is the value of B. Watch one thing. From A to some point in the middle, from A to some point in the middle, Ismail, which is C, the area is below. If you do the integration directly from A to the B, this negative part and this is a positive part. Right, Ismail? The negative will take some from the positive, you will not get the right answer. For this problem, always you have to do to find further intersection with x-axis. I'm going to give you an example to show you what I mean by that. Then you do the integration first from A to the C, f of x dx, and you take the absolute value of the answer. You can take it from here, or when you find your final answer, you make it positive. Then we call this area 1. And area 2 will be positive from A to from C to the, where Ismail? To the B. F of x for the same function dx. Okay. And the last step is to add the two answers. 1 plus 2. Example. Find the area. I'm going to do easy example between the curve y, which is linear function, 2x plus minus 6 from in the interval -3 to 5. Let us graph this function and see what's going on. Let me have the grid. And let me see, graph it. Easy to graph, the y-intercept. Let me just take this line up here. -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This -6. And the slope is 2/1. You go up 2 and 1. Just, I'm gonna make it easy and simple for you. I'm gonna make this guy 4 to make the graph 4 a little easier. Just example to explain the concept. Then we're gonna start with our problem. This is 4, 1, 2, and 1 here. Then my line will be go through these 2 points and go here. Now he wants me to find the area between these 2 lines from -3, -1, this line to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here to here. Okay. Watch. I have 2 areas. The first one here from -5, -3 till this point. We're gonna find it. Then to this point, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna move it to the right a little bit. With the 5. And we're gonna extend this line a little bit up all the way to here. Then the second area we're gonna find here. Okay. We're gonna call this area 1. Area 2. Area 1. Integration from -3 to this point. How you find this point? By making this function equal to 0. You find 2x minus 4 equals 0. 2x equals 4. X equals 2. Good? With this point 2. This 2. 2x minus 4 dx. Integrate this one. Equal what? 2x squared over 2. You follow me? You follow me? You follow me, Ismail?
Yeah.
Now 2 cancel. You open 2 pairs of parentheses, minus in the middle. You plug the 2. 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. Then you go to the 3. 3, 9. -3 squared is 9. Okay, negative here. 4 times -3 is -12 plus 12. What we have? What we have, Ismail? -4 minus 21, -25. That's what I said. The answer is what, Ismail?
Negative.
Then we're gonna take the absolute value of negative 25 equal 25. Get it? Okay. Now, the second area, from 2 to the 5. From 2 to where? To 5. From 2 to 5. Integration from 2 to the 5. The same function, 2x minus 4 dx, which is we did x squared before, 4x from 2 to the 5 equal 2 pairs in parentheses, 5 squared, 25 minus 20, then 4 minus 8 equal 5 minus negative 4, which is 5 plus 4. Wow, that comes positive as we expect. My final answer, I have to add which ones? The 9 and what? I'm sorry, this guy, right? 9 plus 25 equals 34. Good. This one I have one function. Another example when I have two functions. Another example when I have two functions. We have time, Ismail? Your time is right?
Yeah, we're good.
How much?
We're 11 minutes in.
Okay, we have about 10 minutes to do this. Let me take an example. Okay. Y equal 2x. Example. Y. Now two curves. 2x squared and the other curve. It's good to be able to sketch these functions. I want to sketch these functions. You have to be able to give a quick sketch for these functions, right?
Yeah.
To see which area he's looking for. Y equal 2x squared. When this x squared, open up, right?
Yeah.
Parabola, quadratic function, right? When x equal 1, 2, and when x equal negative 1, 2, 2 is gonna be, it's gonna go up quick. 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. The function will be like this. Good. In the blue, it's x squared, but shifting up how many? 2 units here, right? When x equal 1, 3. When x equal 2, it's going to be 6. This 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. The same thing. When x equal 1 is 3. When x equal 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, as you see, there is two intersections. Here one and here one. I need to find these two intersections. One here and one here. I'm gonna make this line different color. And here. Okay. This line, make it a little bit bolder and give it a green color. And this line, make it bolder and give it again green color. I need to find this point and this point. I need to find this point. And which area I'm looking for? This area. You see this, Ismail? This area. Then how I find these 2 points, Ismail? You find these 2 points by making the two functions what? Equal.
Equal to each other?
Yes, 2x squared. X squared plus what? 2, right?
Yeah.
Then you minus x squared from both sides. Then x squared equal 2. then x equal plus minus square root of 2. I tell my students all the time, square root of 2 is very well known value, about 1.41. You can take it 1.4, I'm going to take it 1.4. Square root of 3 equal around, I'm going to put around 1.7. Then here I have negative 1.4, and here we have 1.4. 1.4. Okay. I'm going to tell you something, you can't play smart. You see this area, Ismail, from here to here? It's the same exact as that, because we have the function, the quadratic function, has similarity here about the y-axis. This area and this area is the same. I can do my integration from negative 1.4 to the 0, then multiply by what? 2. Then it's easy for me to do integration right? Area, my area equal, and all my area above x-axis. Then I don't have to worry about the negative sign. From negative 1.4, or I can leave it negative square root, I can leave it what? If you want, negative square root of 2 to the 0, right? Then when I finish, I'm going to multiply the answer by 2. Remember. Now, which one function in the top? The function in the top, this function, the blue one, which is what? X squared. You have to take the top one minus the bottom one, which is what? 2x squared, and all in term of ds. Simplify, then integrate. Simplify, then what? Integrate. Equal, you see Ismail? X squared minus 2x squared is negative what?
X squared.
Plus 2. Plus 2 and all this dx. And my limit is what? Negative square root of 2 to the where?
0.
0. Then now the last step is to integrate and evaluate this integration. Okay, let us integrate and equal negative x cubed over 3 plus 2x. Integration of 2 to x, integration of 3x. And my limit of integration, negative square root of 2 over 2. Now the same, you open two pairs of parentheses, right? When you plug here negative square root of 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 square root of 2 minus this is 0.
Yeah, it's 0.
This is 0. This is 0.
It's going to be 0.
It's going to be 0, 0. Now, this arithmetic is going to be negative. Look here. I'm going to explain it for you for one time. Cube equal negative square root of 2 square times square root of 2. When you square the square root, right? Negative 2 square root of what? 2. Over what? Then my answer, just I did it there, just explain this extra step to explain for you this guy in the top. Then negative 2 square root of 2 over 3 plus 2 square root of 2 over 1. Multiply this by 3, this by 3 will be 4. Look here, the denominator is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, right? Minus 2 is 4 square root of 2, right? That the area of one part. Then the last step, just only one step.
Multiply that by 2, right?
Multiply my final answer, my total area, my final answer and area equal 2 times 4 square root of 2 over 3. 8. Good luck. I will see you again with more practice problem about the area next time. Thank you and have a nice day.